Do you want to know how to factory reset Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Why do you need to factory reset your Switch? A factory reset reverts your Switch to its original factory default settings. Due to various reasons, you may need to factory reset your Nintendo Switch. Some of these are: if you have got a new model of the Switch, so want to factory reset the old one. You want to gift it to your family member or friend, and before that perform a factory reset to wipe away all the personal data stored in the system. If you wish to sell the existing Nintendo Switch, then you should always perform a factory reset before selling. Things to consider before factory resetting the Nintendo Switch. The entire factory resetting process for the consoles with the system menu version of 10.0.0 or higher can take more than 5 minutes to complete. Factory resetting the console will delete all the saved data and games from your system. You cannot recover the data once deleted. You need a good internet connection to reset the Nintendo Switch. You can relink any associated Nintendo account to the Nintendo Switch console after the console is formatted. You can manage it through http://accounts.nintendo.com. How to reset a Nintendo Switch to its factory defaults. To factory reset your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps. Go to Home menu and open System Settings. Select System from the options. From the bottom of the screen, select Formatting options. Next, select Restore Factory Settings. This will delete all the data from the system memory. Read through the on-screen information and select Next to proceed. From the next options, choose Restore Factory Settings to finish the process. How to factory reset the Switch without deleting data. A factory reset helps to fix the issues related to the Nintendo Switch. The entire process resets the software. If you want to reset your console without deleting the saved data, here is how to do it. Press the power button of the Nintendo Switch. Tap on Power Options. Then select Turn Off. Now to enter the recovery mode, hold down the power button, the volume up and the volume down keys for 3 to 5 seconds till you see the Nintendo Switch's boot up screen. When the maintenance mode screen opens, select Initialize Console without deleting the Save Data option. Select Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the factory reset is complete, the Nintendo Switch will boot its default factory settings. You can also select Initialize Console if you do not want to keep the data. Then select Continue. Now follow as shown to reset the console. How to soft reset a Nintendo Switch. A soft reset does not delete any data from the system. So, before performing a factory reset, you can soft reset your console and see if this can fix the issue. Press and hold the power button on your Nintendo Switch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then release the power button and press it again. How to hard reset a Nintendo Switch. If a soft reset cannot help you fix the glitch with Nintendo Switch, perform a hard reset. Hard reset restarts the console and clears the temporary data without affecting the game, saves, or your personal settings. Here is how to do that. Unplug the AC adapter from the Nintendo Switch and the wall outlet. Keeping the adapter unplugged, press and hold the power button from the top left side of the console for about 25 seconds. Then release it and press the power button once to turn on the console. And there you have it, the methods to reset Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.